It's starting to get exciting. I do have the electrical work done. I had an electrician do that for me. I have a 100 amp sub panel here to the shop. I have 20 outlets, and there's 5 different circuits out here. One of them was here when I moved in. So I've got, I think, 6 220 outlets and about 14 120 outlets. I think it's gonna be pretty future-proofed. It should last me quite a while. The only thing I do need to add at some point, but that's probably gonna do next year, is a mini split, and I will have to run a little more power for that. I can run it from that box, but I don't have the line ran for any climate control yet. The drywall was done by me. That's probably why it looks awful, but I do not enjoy doing drywall. I don't enjoy tape, mud, the drywall, the sanding, but it is good enough for my purposes. So I am gonna do some paint. You'll see what I'm doing either when I'm done or while I'm doing it. I do have my saw stop. It is almost set up. Okay, so the saw is actually all set up, but I still have to do the sliding, the little crosscut table, the sliding table. I don't even know what it's called. I haven't done anything with that yet. I do have my miter saw right down there. Pretty excited about that. I've upgraded from the rigid, which I actually liked quite a bit. You'll see it in a lot of my past videos. Worked great. I do have a Festool Capex. I got the corded one. I don't love batteries for most of my stuff. I do have my dust processor right here. My dust processor. Haven't even taken that out of the box yet. It just got here the other day. I did quite a bit of research. I was going back and forth between a couple different models, but I did go with the Harvey G700. I think it's gonna suit my needs and kind of where I'm at right now, and probably for a long time to come. So yeah, looking forward to getting that out of the box, but I'm not quite ready to start getting things set up. So we're gonna spend a little bit of time today prepping the walls, painting the walls. I am on call at work, so I could get called in. But yeah, so that's where we're at. I have the first round of tape on. I am ready for primer, which I'm gonna do now. I had it all taped up once, and I got looking at it from a distance. I just didn't like it, so I ripped it all down and redid it, but that's fine. So yeah, we're gonna get some primer on. All right, I have got the drywall primered. It exposed my not so neat mud and tape job, but you know, it is what it is. It's a wood shop, it's okay, there's gonna be mistakes. If you want perfection, you will never find it here. I hope it all wasn't a waste of time anyways. Like I said, I do plan on having cabinets, French cleat walls, tool holders, all kinds of stuff in here. As I evolve, it's gonna get a little paint job anyways. So the primer calls for 1 to 4 hours to dry. It's 4:30. It is pretty warm, so I think it's gonna dry pretty quick, but I'm gonna give it an hour or two. That is a wrap on paint. It's drying. It's starting to look a little better once it's dry. The paint's looking a little better. But I'm gonna let it dry for a couple hours, 2 or 3 hours. I'm gonna go walk my dog, and I do wanna pull the tape tonight, and I wanna see what it looks like. So we're gonna pull the tape here in a bit and get these electrical covers back on, and I'm almost ready to start putting the shop together. My first phase is kind of done. I can finally start putting my shop together. I think it looks pretty good considering, you know, I don't really know what I'm doing. But yeah, so we're gonna wrap this one up. I'm gonna get my table saw put together, at least the crosscut table. I've got to get my drill press put back together, get it on its mobile stand. I can unbox my dust collector, put my lathe back together. Got a lot of work to do, so Yeah, pretty happy with where I'm at, and got a good few more hours to work out here, so we're gonna start making it look just a little bit more like a shop, hopefully by the end of the day.